Morning everyone.
Morning. Welcome to another day.
Oh. Welcome to another Orlando video. We're currently on the way to Vineland Outlets.
Yep. It's apparently the day of the hurricane.
It is. So because it's a bit more rainy this morning, it has been pouring it down.
Yeah.
We were supposed to go to Volcano Bay, however, it's closed. They closed it yesterday for today, so we're not going there now. So the plan is, maybe we could do a bit of shopping, go to the outlets, go to the mall, probably go to Bath & Body Works again, and then possibly if HHN's on tonight, we might go.
Yeah, it might make an appearance tonight at HHN, but we're just going to like play it by ear a little bit, aren't we?
So we might go to some of the studios or the rides and then HHN. We're going to just see how things pan out. So follow along if you like some shoppy bits and some more possible Horror Nights content. And make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and yeah. Well, let's go shopping.
Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny?
Ollie's just looking at the little sling bag, bum bag, fanny packs, whatever they're called. We're in Coach, 60% off. How much was it?
$140.
$140. It's quite nice, to be fair.
Just over £100.
Yeah. Bargain. They've got loads of other little accessories, bags, clearance section. Ollie's just trying on a little sling bag from the clearance. It's only 100 and what was it for?
103, yeah.
$103 plus tax, I'm assuming. That's what it looks like. Work it, baby, work it. Strut it.
Yeah,
do you like it?
Yeah.
So we've had a little look in Coach. Saw a couple of nice things there, to be fair.
Yeah. They had some good deals on, didn't they, actually?
Yeah, a lot better than the UK outlet.
Yeah. It's made in America, though, isn't it? Well, it's not made in America, but it's an American company.
Yeah. We just went to go have a look at the Disney outlet. Oh my god, the queue is massive to get in there.
Huge.
So we're not waiting in that. We're going to see how that looks in a little bit. But I haven't actually seen it that busy before, really. Ollie wants to go. I said I've not seen it that busy before.
No.
The queue.
No.
You want to go in Adidas, yeah? Don't. We just had a look in Psycho Bunny. It's new to this Vineland one.
Yeah, I think they've still got one at the International Drive outlets as well.
Yeah, I think the guy said this one opened about 5 months ago.
Yeah.
So it was okay. Some of the prices are quite comparable to the UK.
Yeah.
Because you can get them from like John Lewis and places like that. So we haven't seen anything quite yet in that one. So on to the next shop. Currently in Tommy Hilfiger. There's some quite good discounts on at the minute.
Really good discounts.
50%
off t-shirts, so they're coming in $34.50 minus 50%, and we've got a coupon if you spend over $100, another 20% off. So they're like $13 for t-shirts.
Yeah, got a few things to try on. Maybe we'll see. We've done some little shoppy bits in Tommy Hilfiger.
Yeah, got quite a few bits, didn't we? Really.
Yeah.
So got some good deals. Got some Christmas presents as well.
Yeah.
Which is really good.
So I got some shorts, some chinos, you got a couple of jumpers.
Yeah.
There was a t-shirt that was only $8.
Yeah, really cheap.
So we just got that. So yeah, that was quite good. And we got an extra discount because we had the emails come through, so I got another 20% off everything.
Yeah, so it's 20% off. You spent over $100, which is very easily done.
Yeah.
Or 15% off if you don't. So, not bad.
Good so far. So we've been having a look around some of the shops. We've just been in MCM and there's been some really good deals in there actually.
Yeah, really good deals.
Ollie saw another sling that was quite nice, really discounted. So that's a maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Just thought we'd show you the character warehouse. I don't know what is going on, but
I feel like maybe we're missing something.
It's rammed. I don't understand why. Why is it so busy? It can't be that good for the discounts. Like, the queue is just insane. So we will not be waiting in that queue. That is just too much.
This one will be quite practical because you've got these zips.
Yeah. Front, you've got a little front bit and a little back bit. That one's quite 80% off in the little clearance. There it is.
And an additional 20% off.
Oh yeah, so it's very cheap in here at the minute. So if you're into Funko Pops and lounge flies, this Heroes and Villains store is insane.
Oh my God.
Look at that lounge fly. I've never seen so many lounge flies in one go. Look at this nun one.
That is creepy.
Jurassic Park, Pokemon. There's loads of Disney ones. Where's Wally? Lol. Literally so many. A whole wall of them. And even more. Yeah, literally. Oh, look at the big plushies. So many Funko Pops. Bulbasaur. So we've been having a look at Gucci and Versace. They were quite good. Ghostface.
Anyway, sorry, I'm getting distracted.
Gucci and Versace. Gucci was better than Versace.
Yeah.
There was a nice sling bag in there, but it was like $800.
Yeah. Kieran was trying to be a bad influence, but
I was like, just get it. Why not?
And I know if I get it, that means that he can get something, so that's why.
That's not the case. So yeah, look at this Shrek one. There's a McDonald's Happy Meal one. That is just too far.
Oh my God, that is hilarious. I want it.
I can't deal with this. Just seen Killer Clowns from Outer Space.
They've got Stranger Things at the top.
I mean, that one is well cool. They've got some really good ones in here, and that one was like $100. So it's a little bit more, but...
They were the ones that Universal had last year.
Stranger Things. Slytherin. Diagon Alley. There's some really good ones. Some of them are $50 as well on sale.
So I got a little purchase from Coach. They had a really good deal on, to be fair. It was 65% off, and then we got an extra 10% off because the lady was really nice, and it was Kieran's birthday last week, so she honoured that the birthday promotion that they usually give. And it is, oh, it's all wrapped up. So it's a little sling bag, little belt bag, which is just a bit more practical for when we're in the parks rather than carrying the giant backpack that I have, and not just for this holiday but for future holidays. So with that, and it came to a grand total after tax of $117, down from $350 apparently, which at the current exchange rate is about £88. In the UK, they're minimum of $200, so really good deal.
We're in the car now, off to the next shoppy destination.
Yeah, and just to let you know, we have made a dining reservation at Cheesecake Factory at the mall at Millennia.
Yeah, so if you've got a American number, you can do that, whereas if you don't have one, you can't make a reservation online, so
exactly,
it's quite a good little tip, to be honest.
Good little perk, isn't it, for having an American phone number?
Because we all know how busy those queues can get for Cheesecake Factory.
Oh yeah.
So we've got that booked for a couple of hours' time, so we're going to head to the mall at the Millennia, which is nice.
And it's happy hour as well at Cheesecake Factory at that time, so I think they do discount on drinks, they do like some lunchtime specials, because obviously the portions there are enormous.
Yeah, they're too big.
So hopefully they'll have some good deals for us.
Yes, we're going to go in a couple of shops at the mall and then get something to eat, and then HHN has been cancelled tonight.
Yeah,
I don't know if they've said that, due to the hurricane. So we might still go to City Walk and have a little bit of a chill, we'll see.
I feel like some of the rides and roller coasters will get shut as well. If they're cancelling a whole event like that, they're not going to be running like Velocicoaster, I don't think.
I guess we'll see. We'll keep you posted, let you know what happens. Off to the next shopping destination. We've made it to stop number 2, I guess.
Yeah, stop number 2, Mall at Millennia.
Yeah, I was just saying to Ollie, I just remembered it's going to be freezing in here because the aircon's going to be so high. It's always so cold.
I know, but it's a nice mall,
It's
isn't
a very
it?
nice mall, yeah.
And we can see the Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah. So let's go in. Let's have a look at some shops, maybe some Bath and Body Works.
Yeah, definitely.
We'll see. It is very pretty.
Give me something, give me some. Give me something, give me some. Give me something, give me some. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing me.
So we are at our next stop, which is Bath and Body Works. So there's Kieran. And we've also inadvertently run into our friends Alex and Vic. So Alex and Vic are here with us as well. Hey! There they are. They've just been at Cheesecake Factory, which is just where we're about to go.
After Bath and Body Works.
Yummy!
Small cake in there.
Oh,
If you want to see.
little peek, s'mores cheesecake. Yummy. So we can see the limited edition Stranger Things merch. They've not got much left, but they have the upside down candle, which we've bought already, the Demogorgon candle, and Eddie's leather jacket. They did also have all of them in foaming hand soap as well as wall scents and everything like that. But it has been a bit ransacked. The offer today is all 3 wick candles for $13.95, so that's really good. They're meant to be $27 for this one, $26.95. They're a bit more because they're limited edition, but they are still $13.95, so really good.
They've got quite a cool Halloween display with some more limited timed soaps and candles. Candy apple cauldron sounds quite cool. The candle stand, I mean, that is hilarious. Pumpkin, perfect pumpkin. Oh, they're the diffuser things you put into the wall. We've just picked up some hand soaps, one of the big wick candles because they're on that special offer today. Some more hand sanitizers. They were 6 for $10, I think it was. And then I think because we spent so much on our little rewards program, we will get a free voucher to spend for X amount. So we might get another candle or something.
So we've got our Bath and Body Works bag. We got 5 hand soaps. They're not on a special promotion. They're on 5 for $27, but at the moment they're doing a $10 off when you spend $30. So Kieran had to get some more sanitizers as well, and we had to get the Stranger Things Demogorgon candle. Rah!
There was only 2 left.
There's only 2 left, and it's limited edition. So I really wanted it. I didn't think we'd be able to get it because it got released like a month ago, something like that. So we're really happy. We're now on the way to Cheesecake Factory for our reservation at 4:45.
Ollie said he's not waiting, he's already starting with the bread. So we've ordered bread. I've got a really nice pink lemonade cocktail thing. Ollie's just got a Bud Light. You've ordered enchiladas, haven't you?
Yeah, chicken enchiladas. I got something that I've never had before.
Yep, so hopefully it'll be nice. And then I've just got an Impossible Burger because it's just nice and easy. So we'll show you when it comes, and we're going to enjoy this nice warm Cheesecake Factory bread. He was like, do you want bread? We were like, yeah. Right, the food's come. Beast mode is pending. This is Ollie's enchiladas. They look really nice.
This one's nice, isn't it?
Look very nice. And then this is my Impossible Burger, just basic to be fair, but I'm sure it'll be yummy. So that's it. And this cocktail is so nice. I've had another one. All done at Cheesecake Factory.
All done.
So full.
Really nice though. I really would recommend the enchiladas.
Yeah, yours looked really good. Mine was just obviously standard burger, but enchiladas looked really nice.
Yeah, really fresh.
Really good. So we've left them all now. So we managed to get some bits from Bath and Body Works, which was really good.
Yeah.
I got myself a little birthday treat from LV, and we're now just driving to Walmart because we need to pick up some other snacks and things to take home with us.
Yeah.
So we thought we might also do that now whilst we sort of can, and we can't really do much else.
No.
The hurricane's definitely picking up. Like the wind is definitely
really,
a lot higher.
really powerful. I'm driving on the I-4 at the moment, and I can tell it's windy.
But luckily, obviously, we're not in the direct impact, so hopefully, I'm sure it'll be fine. And the people that are in the impact area, hopefully it's not bad.
Yeah, thoughts go out to you.
So yeah, we're just going to head to Walmart, so we'll show you whatever goodies are in there. And then I think we're probably going to just chill, really, because there's not much else to do, to be honest.
Not
so.
really, yeah, because City Walk and all that has closed at 8 o'clock, closed early tonight. Halloween Horror Nights cancelled, Mickey's Not So Scary cancelled, Disney's closing early, Disney Springs is closing early.
Yeah,
So
probably a good chance for us to just actually relax a little bit and just chill out for the night because we've been really full on. So yeah. Oh, hiccup. So we'll catch up with you when we get to Walmart. We've arrived at Walmart. Oh, car's kicking off. Wind is defo picking up still. We're going to go get some goodies. We're going to show you what we're going to get from here. Olive Garden dressing will probably be on the list. M&M's. Don't know what else. Some other things probably. So far we've got 3 bottles of Olive Garden dressing. There's none left on the shelf now. A dragon fruit because it's on offer. Pretty cool. Love dragon fruit. Muffins and more bread. Ollie's deciding what ranch he wants. Cart update. We have mac and cheese, SpongeBob style for Ollie's brother. Some Sour Patch Kids lemonade because his brother wanted a packet of them and we've got a packet for ourselves. Never heard of them ones before. And then we've got some more pretzel M&Ms and a massive bag of caramel ones because they are so good. We're down the cereal aisle currently, deciding whether or not we want to get some more while we're here or not. It is so busy in here. Like, I don't know why it's so busy, but it is. We've picked up some Jiffy Pop for Ollie's sister. Pop. That'll be interesting, I'm sure. Walmart are really trying to push these penny saving jars or cent saving jars as it would be here. There's so many. Crazy. Ollie's gotten himself some Dr. Pepper Zero.
yeah.
And I've got some Mountain Dew Mini. I'm thinking about that. I might get them, might not. Ooh, Oreos. So let's see, is there any other ones? Dark chocolate, Java, peanut butter, chocolate peanut butter pie, mint, yes, that's one of the best. Don't see any other new or unique ones?
Evening, everyone.
Hey.
So that brings us to an end of another day in Orlando. It's been a really chilled day. We've just done some shopping bits, both gotten a couple of little treats.
Yeah.
Had a really nice dinner at the Cheesecake Factory. Well, I think mine was better than yours.
Well, mine was nice, it was just
Yeah.
a burger.
Yeah.
Yours was just a bit more like interesting.
Yeah. And then we've just come back and just had a bit of a relax. Although it has been chilled and the weather has gotten really bad with the rain and the wind, I think that's what I certainly needed because we've been hitting it really hard so far.
Nice to have a bit of a break in the middle.
Yeah, and we'll be right back to it tomorrow if the weather is allowing us to do that.
Yeah. So
But I think it is meant to.
Yeah, should be fine. So tomorrow we've got Animal Kingdom planned. Ooh. And we've got a Tusker House reservation for the first time.
Disney dining.
We've never done that.
No, we've never done that one, so we'll let you know how we get on with that. We've also got an advanced lightning lane for Flight of Passage and a couple of other lightning lanes booked as well.
Yes, it's going to be really good fun.
Should be. We'll end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
You